Okay, so this is our fourth and final question in specific heat capacity. We are going to see a sum which is very important. Please make a note of this sum as an important question, okay, because it is using power, it is using heating in an electric kettle, time required and all that. So here 1 kg of water, now it is in kg, and that is to be noted, and 1.25 kilowatt is the capacity, is the power of the kettle. 1.25 kilowatt is the power of the kettle. Calculate the time taken. What is asked is the time taken. Temperature of water has to rise from 25 to 100 degrees centigrade. That means there is a rise of 75 degrees centigrade. Specific heat capacity is given in grams. Big thing to be noted. This is in grams and here is in kg. Please don't, there is a mismatch. So we have to convert this. It is always better to convert this in the mass in grams rather than convert the specific heat capacity in kg. So here we are going to see firstly what is the power. Power is electrical energy by time. As I always say, now it is any power, mechanical energy by time or heat energy by time. Now here power is not electrical energy, sorry, power is heat energy by time. Now power is 1.25, remember kilowatt, that is for 1.25, I'm sorry, we have to kilowatt, please don't use it here, only watt can be put. So this is my value 1250. Okay, 1250 is the in watts. So if it is in kilowatt, change it. So these are the small things where you can go wrong. Now energy, that is the heat energy, we don't know, and time. So time here is we don't know. Time also we don't know. We'll have to find this T. Now what is the electrical energy, the heat energy that is required? Okay, heat required to bring about this change, isn't it? So it is mc theta. M is 1000. This is another point where you can go wrong. 1000 for 1 kg. 4.2, okay, that is given to us in joules per gram, and theta, that is a 75. Okay, so this much of heat is required to be given by this power kettle. Okay, so now we are going to do the now do the calculation. How do we do the calculation? Just check. Bring the T here, T, and put the energy, these values. Do not multiply. I always tell in all my videos, please don't waste time multiplying. 1250. Write it like this and you'll get your answer straight. Now here the time will always come in seconds. Remember the time here, if you have taken this in joules, this is going to come in seconds always, and if this is in watts. So let's cancel, and then 75, this goes, 25 goes 5 times, 25 goes 3 times. Now this is the benefit of not multiplying. Please don't waste your time multiplying. Now here I have 520, okay. Now that is 84 into 3, yes, 84 into 3. That many seconds, okay, that many seconds. Now I want this in, definitely you don't talk like that, 84 into 3 seconds, okay, or in, if the seconds is more than 60, we will always talk in minutes. So how do we talk now? Now 84 into 3 divided by 60. Now see, 6, this also goes by 6. So 6 tens are and 6 14s are, okay. Now it is again, this is 5 and 7. So it is 21 by 5. Now we have got it in minutes. How many minutes it is? So it is still, so my answer is time here, which is 4 full minutes, and what fraction of a minute? I can see 1/5 of a minute. Now 1/5 of a minute is equal to 12 seconds. So this is your answer, 4 minutes 12 seconds. Okay. So you should not even talk like 4 minutes and 1/5 of a minute. Does not make sense. Okay. So you have to say 4 minutes and 1/5 of a minute is, full minute is 60. So 60 seconds, 1/5 is 12 seconds. Okay. So this was my last question from specific heat capacity. If you have liked the videos, do not forget to like, share and subscribe, and most important of all, please leave a comment behind. Okay, also check my other channel. There is another channel. Please check that channel because I have only maths videos in that channel for ICSE 10th for board exams. Okay, so please check the channel. The channel's link has been given in the channel page. Okay, right at the bottom of the channel page. If you check, the name of the channel is Paul's 10th board maths for ICSE. Okay, so you just check that. Why is it Paul's? Because my name is Anandita Paul. Okay, so that's it for today. Thanks all of you. Bye then.